Alright, so morning everybody. Today, we got a sidekick. Today we're gonna make ice cream. So I always make me an ice cream
Yep.
with just three ingredients, right? So we're gonna use strawberries, we're gonna use frozen bananas, and then we're gonna use some dates. So, is she going to sleep? Oh my god. Okay. Hey man, I thought you wanted to be in the video. So yeah, so this is a dairy-free ice cream.
Yeah.
So she loves to have ice cream. So instead of buying a lot of the processed ice creams, we keep it real simple. Trying to stand on me. We keep it real simple, and yeah. So this is gonna be one of the best ice creams that you can make if you have
Vitamix.
the Vitamix blender is the easiest, but as long as you got a blender, you should be good to go. So yeah, let's get into making the ice cream. All right, so we put the dog away. Now, Mia's gonna go ahead and put it together. So this is a recipe. So we got
Strawberries.
frozen strawberries, right? We got, hold on.
Okay.
We got some dates. And then we got some frozen bananas. And then we're going to use a little bit of ice.
So I can make it more ice creamy.
So yeah. So this is, we got about, I kind of like eyeball it. So 2 frozen bananas, like a bowl of frozen, and then a cup of ice.
And dates.
And some dates, yeah. So let's go ahead and toss it in. Yeah.
I don't want it to fall.
Okay. So there you have it. Hold on, put the
ice last.
yeah. Let's just toss the frozen bananas in there. Right. Let's toss your dates in there.
Dates.
Yeah. All right.
Then last but not least.
Put your top. Oh yeah. Put your ice. Put your top. Now you can use other sweeteners. You can use sugar if you want.
But this is a sugar-free.
But yeah, we try to stay away from a lot of excess sugar. So
Yeah.
you can use dates, agave, or whatever sweetener you guys like, honey. So this is what we use. So there you have it right now. So now for this blender, because of the motor, is such a powerful motor, it makes a lot of noise because it's not, it's there's no liquid in here, so you pretty much using the motor to kind of process this down into an ice cream. So it comes with a little tamper, and then you got to kind of press it down. So I'm going to Mia's going to turn it on, and then I'm going to begin to make the ice cream. So you can turn it on, and then I'll pause it, and then I'll make the ice cream because it's gonna get really loud. Put it on. All right, we back. So ice cream is complete. So you can kind of see
How much cream?
ice cream.
Creamy. Yeah.
Nice and thick, like an ice cream. So there you have it. You can use pretty much. Go ahead, get your little taste test. Alrighty, so you can pretty much use whatever frozen fruits. You can do mango and strawberries. You can do blueberries. You can do wild. You can do whatever you want. So this one here, like I said, is just strawberries, frozen strawberries,
bananas,
frozen bananas,
dates,
and dates. So
ice.
And another thing, when you use bananas, use frozen bananas. The taste, the texture of just regular bananas, I mean, frozen bananas is best. Trust me. So you can make a bunch of different variations of ice cream. So dairy free, very simple to make. If you have a Vitamix, that's really good. So we got this one here. So this one is older than Mia, and then I got another one up here. So this one, we'll probably use that one day. So that's a new one that I got, but this one's still been working for so long. So yeah.
We'll go.
So give this a try. A few ingredients, and she's over here. Oh yeah. So another thing, So she likes me to make this one for her. So she's gonna eat a big bowl right now, and then I'll put the rest in like a plastic bowl in a freezer, and then she'll probably eat more later on today or tomorrow or whatever. So yeah, this is something else. And sometimes with the strawberries, so the strawberries here, they cut off the tops, but a lot of times I'll buy the whole strawberries from the farmer's market, and then I'll freeze them, and then I'll leave the green, the leaves on there, and then you can still blend it up. So she'll be getting, you know, chlorophyll. She don't really notice it, but I put it in there. So you never notice it, but so that's another thing too. So you can do it with spinach or whatever. But ice cream for you guys. Quick video. Hope you guys like it, and see you on the next one. Cheers.